This video is about joins in Spark. So we have these two data frames, which are in fact Spark frames made under Spark session. Well, they look similar as data frame, but they are working under Spark. And they contain numbers, first from 1 to 4 and second from 3 to 7, and we are going to demonstrate various join types of them. So the columns IDs renamed to T1 ID and T2 ID, and views created. So we have basically temp view T1 and T2, and here they are printed. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is T2 ID 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the helper function, which is going to run one query written as DataFrame API and another query written as Spark SQL. I'm going to show you what it is. So the first demonstration is inner join. So we run this function. The title is inner join, and this is the syntax of inner join in Spark syntax. So we join in DataFrame 1 on DataFrame 2 on this condition, and the type of join is inner, and we select T1 ID and T2 ID. And this is equivalent SQL run on the Spark. So basically the first one executes with they both simply executed. This def API is executed and is shown. So it's the show actually executes the Spark query, which was only built up to the point of execution. And here Spark SQL takes string query and executes it and shows the result. So here we go. This is inner join. Only those rows which match in both tables are selected, and we can see here them as both IDs. Okay, let's go on. Okay, something was not properly displayed, but it's now displayed correctly. So left outer join. Again, same syntax, but the type of join is left outer. And here we see the T1 ID from the first table. We have all T1 IDs, and we got T2 ID in the second table. And those which do not match are nulls. Thus, this is called left join because we have full table on the left and only those rows which are matched on the right. Okay, and this is equivalent SQL syntax, and the results are the same. Right outer join. So right outer join, again the same syntax. def1 join def2 on condition. Right outer join, we have all the rows at the right and only those rows which were matched on the left. Here in SQL we have right outer join, full outer join. So here we match both left and right table. We select all possible values, and those which do not match are replaced by null. Spark syntax is the same, type of join is full outer, and SQL provides the same result. This is basically a combination of left and right join. So we got those rows which come that would come on left join, and we got rows that would come on right join, and that we got full join all the possible rows. Left semi join. So left semi join only returns only the left table. So it basically selects only those rows in the left table which have the matching rows in the right table. This should not be mistaken for inner join, but only those rows which did match, and only columns from the first table are selected. So the matching rows were 3 and 4, and only them, and only from the left table T1 ID are selected. Left anti-join, only left table. Okay, this is another type of left join, but we select those rows which did not match. So only rows from the first table, and only those rows which did not match, row 1 and 2, T1 ID and 1 and 2. So we have selected these rows, but only from the left table. And this is called left anti-join. And finally, we've got cross-join. Cross-join is a Cartesian join of all the rows from the first table and all the rows in the second table. So we have 1 5 times and all the values of the second table against 1. Then we have 2 5 times and 5 values on the right. Then we have 3 and all the 5 values and 4. And it is written as df1 cross join df2 in Spark syntax, and it is written as from T1 cross join T2 in SQL syntax, and both are the same. So these are the main types of join that can be used in Spark. Thanks for watching.